Well, what a way to start a video. How about we dump my black and gray water, and I'll show you guys how. This will be the intro to the documentary. So I got the Northern Lite camper, and the first step is to get the hose out and connect the drain hose from the back corner there, and let me get going. First step on the Northern Lite is get out your whatever you want to call it, the hose. Gloves if you like. That's ow. Take it. Off this side. There. So step on it with your foot. So you want to make sure it doesn't move. I step on it and we're going to pull the black water. There we go. That's from the washroom, the toilet. And since we got a lot of shower water, I'm going to pull the shower water one too. So here's the black water. And the gray water is right here in the back. And now it's heading down the tube. Of course, I have a sink I can use to wash my hands as well. Anyways, nothing else exciting going on just yet. We're gonna wait a little while. Give it a little shake. It's just shower water right now. I had a shower this morning. So it goes down really slowly in this one. It drains for a while. In fact, I'll probably disconnect it and let it drain because I gotta get some fresh water at the next station here. I'm at just a rest stop along the I-5 just before, reaching Nels. Pretty sure it's all just shower water. It's just all shower water. Now, these places, they always come with, you press the button, you see that? Lots of pressure. Whoa, fuck! Too much pressure. Way too much pressure. 40-second automatic turn-off. Okay, that was way too much pressure. Way too much freaking pressure. I got a little bit of splash. Luckily, just water. Anyways, to put this back, to fit it in the Northern Lite, you just kind of siphon it in. And lock. As you can see, it'll be leaking for a little while. So let's move on into the fresh water and actually have that in here. This is also a good time to push the black water back closed. I'm leaving the gray water open. It'll just stay open as it drains and walks and I drive. Anyways, these are my gloves for when it's actually dirty. I hadn't used the washroom yet, just the shower. And the fresh water should be the next station. Potable water, it says up there. You see? Okay, the next step. Get your hose, get your white hose. I put mine in the back of the Northern Lite, and you have it locked off nice and clean. Hook it into up to this. You have the potable water, just kind of sits in there, and just press the button. There we go. And we'll wait till it has an overflow. The water will come out the backside. Oh, we gotta press the button again. It's full. It came backwards. So you always put your hose away, that's it. Get rid of that water, get rid of that water wheel. And we can get back on the road. Get going with motorcycle tuning and checking. So this is where I put mine in the Northern Lite. A little hatchback here. Alright, Anyways, thanks guys, let's get on the road. That's the Northern Lite camper. This is an 8.5 camper. Northern Lite.